Well, hi there. This would be very simple and short. So you're wondering how to save as a JPEG file in GIMP. It's actually really simple, and this applies to all types of file images. So suppose you have your image like this, you're done editing it and you're ready to save it. Just go File, Save As, and I didn't mean save as, sorry, Export As. File, Export As, and right here where it says PNG or whatever else it might say, all you have to do is manually type it in, JPEG. And that's all there is to it. It'll now save it as a JPEG. And you know, that's the way it is for all other file types. You just have to manually type it in and it'll save it as that. And that's how you save it as JPEG. And you can just click export and go through and export it. And that's all there is to it. Well, now you know how to save an image in GIMP as a JPEG.